Hi everyone, now Friday and I want to show to you today Perimeter Road and later I will go to Fields Avenue. Daytime usually is silent, don't have people. What is this? Kamagra, okay, not need medicine, thank you. He sell Kamagra. Kamagra, not need. We are hearing waitress, need waitress. This is CNBC.
Anh, you blogger hả? Go
Yeah.
inside like you.
Okay, thank you. She want to filming. She said inside bar is okay. No, of course not. Some of tourists this time maybe only wake up. I think this bars is better for after 6, 7 maybe. It's already not so hot. Now 5 still hot. Hi. This is candy bar. Hi, it's moonlight. Hi. Hi. Another bar also. I will check in the Margarita station. Many people or not. Margarita station open 24 hours. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you. We can check now. Oh, good aircon here. Not so many people this time. 5 p.m. I think evening more people. Can play billiard also. I don't know, outside maybe you have already a swimming pool. Customer and staff only. Yes, have swimming pool. So you can eat and go to swim also. Outside you can sit also. Thank you. I remember you before working with Tiger Hotel.
Yeah.
Now you work here.
Working now in Margarita.
Yeah. Before I see you also maybe 1 year ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
Long time ago I working.
Yeah. But my friends same go to Tiger Hotel always
Same,
to stay.
always?
Yes.
But different the management.
Yeah.
Now.
Already different management in Tiger.
Yeah. Before the owner, so already go back into.
And they take another security guard.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nice to meet you.
You too.
Thank you. And have also gray hotel and motel. I remember this guy before I stay in Tiger Hotel. About maybe 1 year. Yes, every time I go from China and stay in Tiger Hotel, I not rent apartment. I pay only 900 peso every day. Because I don't know when I need to come back to China. Coffee, breakfast, from 7 to 7. Massage, from 10 to 11 massage working. Okay. This is entrance to Grey Hotel. I already filming inside. You can find in our YouTube channel playlist, and playlist have, you can choose only hotels, apartment in the Angeles City. This is separate playlist. So now I will go to the Fields Avenue. Traffic now. And later I try to do live stream today. I don't know if have space or not, but I will try. And tricycle drivers, you remember before tricycle drivers park here and waiting passengers, but now all tricycle drivers on another side. So if you in the bar, you just only show to tricycle driver and they pick up you here. Moonlight bar. So I already come back. 2 car. I will use another road because traffic, heavy traffic right now. Better use Clark Road.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening. Today good weather, little bit cloudy, not so hot. Yesterday more hot, today better. But for me it's not problem. Even hot it's okay for me. I like hot. I just don't like cold, but hot is okay for me. Also, I have so many apartments for rent. Price about from 10,000 to 15,000, many apartments. I already filming before. Boomerang Hotel. Also I filming before. If you want to watch video from hotel, from Boomerang Hotel, also you can find in the playlist with hotels. Also Grand Residence, La Grande Residence also have video. Why now I not filming in apartments, not show to you new apartment? Because now it's not tourist season. If I show right now, price is different. When you come back to the Philippines, maybe October, November, December, price already high, increased price. That's why I think it's not interesting for you now watch apartments in the Angeles. So hotels is okay, yes, price usually the same, but apartments usually prices now cheaper because don't have people, not tourists, not go. Okay, thank you for watching.